Hey, so when your Dream App project students, one of the things that you were asked to do was to provide like a sketch of the interface and show us what it was like. I just want to point out to you, some of you are very familiar with a website called Figma, Figma.com. And Figma has always been a place where you could go in and you could design your applications and actually kind of wireframe them. But now they have incorporated an AI, and you can see here how I took one student's app called Quick Reminder app, and I kind of gave it, design a page, what the look and feel should be, and then Figma's AI called Make created this and even recommended connecting with Supabase, a database backend that allows you to kind of keep user data. But one of the nice things about this is not only does it put out a preview of the app, but it also kind of makes it semi-functional, so you can come in and add some things. And it goes ahead and it puts in like calendar integration. I'm not sure about the time. Yeah, they've got like a time app here, which is nice. And then categories. So at any rate, let's see what it does. So it says fill out this field. So let's see here. And it just says reminder created. And then it brings up a new screen. At any rate, this is nice because it'll also give you the code, and this is JavaScript, but it'll also give you the code that it used to do that, and you can see all the source files and stuff. So a great place to start. Again, a lot of people already knew that, but you can come in here and in just a few minutes have kind of a prototype of what you're looking for, and you can also just design this stuff by hand on Figma. All right, thank you.